start off by removing the window wipers. So start off by just getting this cap and pushing it over like that, and then once you've tilted it up, then just put it away. Do the same with the other one, so just tilt it up like that, then put it away. Then get a 13mm socket or spanner, and then just undo it all the way. Same with the other one. Now we're going to shut the bonnet for a second. Now lift the wiper up, and then from here push in and up. And then that will come off. Don't lose the washer. Do the same with this one. That's it, that one comes out too. So next we're going to remove this top trim. So over here there's a screw in there, there's a T25 Torx. Just make sure you don't drop the screw. Let's take that out. And do the same on the other side. Make sure you don't drop it. So we're just going to put up some of this trim. So lift this up. And this pulls out, and then we're going to undo this T25 as well. So next we're going to remove the battery. So just pull that little cap off and unscrew the bolts. Start off with the negative one first, and they're 10mm. Tuck that away. Same with the positive. Pull that away slightly. Now we can pull these wires out a little bit, and then we can get this, put it towards us, and then slide it out. So I'm just going to put the cap back on, and now we're going to come over here and undo the 13mm socket holding the battery in place. That's it, so then you can pull that out. Now push the battery cables out of the way, and then we can lift this up and out. So now we're going to put the battery back in, so lift the wires out of the way, slide it all the way to the end, just goes down into place. It just screws in. Sure that it's secure. Once you're happy that it's secure, then you can put the cable back and then do it up. And then you can put that back. Then you can connect the negative. that's in place. Line it all back up so it goes from underneath and then sort of pushes up, but just make sure it's all in place first. Over the top. So it goes under and then slides up like that. And the batteries wires can go just in here. So now we've got a few screws to put in. So we've got one here. Doesn't need to go too tight. Again, doesn't need to go in too tight. And then we've got this little cap thing to go in. So just push it in and then it will sit down. Now we've got this to put in, so just try and follow the way that it is roughly, that way you get the right amount on each side. Okay, now we're going to shut the bonnet and we're going to put the wipers back in. So just get the wipers and then just try and line them up as best as possible to the same location that they were in before. Once you're happy with that, get the washer, put that on, then get the nut and screw it down. Doesn't need to be too tight, and just make sure you're happy with the position that it's in. Then get the little cap, get the top and push it in like that, and then once it's in, then just push that down, and that's all done. Now I'll get the next one and do the same. The washer, put it in place, and get the nut, do it up. Then once you're happy with it, get the little clip, the cover, put it in, and then press down.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.